Hello and welcome to this Thinkscape tutorial where today we're going to take a look at adding a photo image to a photo gallery on your Joomla website. So taking a look at this example page, this is a series of photos in a gallery, and what we can also do is, in this example, we can add in a piece of text underneath the image when we make the changes in Joomla. So to do this, we need to log into Joomla. So go to your Joomla login page. And when you've entered your username and password, click on Login. And then once logged in, select from the Components menu the component called Photo Gallery, and then click on Images. So you will see when this page loads, you see all the images that are currently in your gallery listed here. And you can obviously go into each of those images and make adjustments. We'll show you that later on in the tutorial, but first what we're going to do is add a new image. So we'll just add a single image, but you can choose to add multiple images. You can see the options at the top of the page. New will add in a single image, multiple add will add in multiple images. So we're just going to upload one image, so we'll just click on New. And basically there are a few fields in this, but for our example we're only going to enter in a couple of details. So first of all, we're going to enter in a title image, so we'll just call it garden image in our example. The next thing you need to do is, we would generally categorize these, but for this website it's Perennial Gardens. And then what we need to do next is select the file from your computer. So click on select file name. It will generate a little pop-up for a few seconds, and if the image is already on the server you can select it from here, but this has not been uploaded to the server, so we need to go down to the bottom of this and we need to browse for it on our computer. So we just need to click on choose file. Just take note of any restrictions. These are generally needed to try and either for storage space or for upload time, or we might have to regulate the dimensions on it just to make sure that it all appears neatly on your website. So click on choose file to browse for the file on the server, on your computer, sorry. And what I've done is I have an image here stored, and I'm going to choose, one moment, test image here. Once it's selected, just click there, and then you need to click on start upload to upload it to the server. Now depending on your connection speed to the internet, it may take a few minutes depending on the size of the file, but generally it should be done in a few moments. And there we have it, file is uploaded. And any new files are generally, they'll automatically go down to the last image option on their screen, so you can see it here. So we're just going to click it here, test image 2, and as you can see now the image file has been inserted there. And then if you want to insert a piece of descriptive text underneath the photo, just click in here and just say this. We'll just say this is a just test description, and once that's entered you move up the page and click on save and close, and then it'll just again for a few moments just run, and it's generated the thumbnail. So we'll go back to our web page on the site and we'll just refresh it there. And there we go. There's our image. And this is a test description. And when we click on the image, it will display the larger version of that image in the website. And that's how you add an image to the Perennial Gardens website. Thank you for watching this tutorial.